Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a recovery email to your Gmail account. This helps you to reset your password and keep your account safe. So let's begin. First, you have to sign in to your Google account if you haven't it already. Now, on the left hand side, you will see the personal info option. Click on that and scroll down until you find contact info. Now go on email and find a recover email option. Now click on the arrow button. You may be asked to enter your password again to confirm. Then click on add recovery or edit your enter the email address you want to use as your recovery option. After typing your recovery email, click save. Google may send a verification code link to the email. Be sure to confirm it, and that's it. Your recovery email is now added to your Gmail account. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.